guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glinda, and on my channel I talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And on today's video we are going to be talking about my hair and giving you guys a relaxer update. So I just relaxed my hair. When did I relax my hair? Probably last week. Sorry, I'm taking this bracelet off. So yes, I relaxed my hair. I relaxed my hair last week. I still use the same relaxers. I just haven't did a relaxer update in a while. And for some reason I've been getting like views on my relaxer videos. So I just wanted to come in and give whoever watching and whoever crosses my videos a relaxer update. My hair is doing pretty good. My hair is not doing the best. But this year I am going to be wearing my relaxed hair more often. Maybe with clip-ins here and there and U-parts. But I'm not really going to be wearing wigs like that as heavy, hopefully, this year. And I always wear my relaxer hair throughout the year. I just don't record it and show that I'm wearing my relaxed hair. So I am going to be showing that. I did record a TikTok and Instagram reel and also YouTube shorts, and I'll be adding that in the video. So look, oh my god, what am I saying? So hello guys, let's go ahead and style my hair. I did just relax my hair not too long ago, and it is needing a trim very badly. But instead of doing the trim, I decided to cut this hair into a bob. So I cut it to like my neck. Yeah, I don't know why I was making that face, because there's no turning back now. I don't recommend you cutting your hair at home. I am a professional. So yeah, so I'm just evening out my hair and putting little layers in my hair. I did have my daughter go ahead and fix. You guys can go check that out on all of those platforms as well. So I still use my same products. Now I am coming to you guys as well to give you guys a relaxer update, because I am going to be changing up some products. I don't really like to use too many separate products from the brand. So I have my eye on some Kenra products, some Amika products, and some It's a 10 products. So I have like very high dandruff. If I don't take care of it, it literally gets out of control, and yeah, I can't take that. So when it comes to my dandruff, I still use the same shampoo and conditioner, and that is my Mazzani. I'll put it on the screen here. That is my Mazzani shampoo and conditioner that is used for dandruff. That is the only thing that helps. Now in the winter where I am, I live in the Midwest, and it is winter here, okay? So I really can't have, like, it gets worse. The dandruff just gets worse. So I really have to watch out for it. But also in between the dandruff shampoo, I also have to use a moisturizing shampoo for my hair. The dandruff shampoo and conditioner is for my scalp. And then the moisturizing shampoo is like really for the hair, if that makes sense. So yeah. Other than that, everything has been fine. I do feel like I have put it down, but I had some like really short pieces, and when you have really like obsessive amount of like flyaways, that's due to me taking out and putting back in clip-ins and U-parts and sewing them down. I didn't do it a lot, but my hair is automatically like just naturally thin. I have my grandmother's hair. It's just naturally that way. I have always had it, but I have maintained it and knowing how to make my hair look fuller and just being able to take care of more thinner hair. I also have very low iron, so that thins your hair out as well. So with that, I cut my hair today actually. So today I cut my hair into a bob. I have noticed when my hair grows out to a certain point, for me, it doesn't look nice. No matter if I put layers in it, I love the bob. I just love how this looks. It looks fuller. My ends look so nice, and I feel like I recommend that. When I was in the salon, I recommended that to customers who also had like thin hair. Being thin, I don't want to say there's no way, but when you're naturally like that, like it's in your genes, you can do things to make it a little bit thicker. You can eat better, you can use certain products, but it's just naturally that way, so you have to work around it. So I always suggested to get a bob. If your hair can't, once it gets down here, you know, neck length, and the, you know, right here mid chest, and then it just doesn't look good just naturally, even if you're going to the salons, you're getting your ends trimmed, it just naturally does. I always suggest getting a bob. Now if your hair is mid chest, I should just maybe going up a little bit, like 2 maybe 3 inches, just for it to look more thicker. But everybody hair is different. Everybody, what's going on with their hair is different. So that's pretty much it on my relaxer update. I haven't really changed anything, but like I said, I am going to change out some products. But other than that, everything has been fine. When I cut my hair today, y'all, it just felt and looked so good. It just moves, girl. And then spring is coming, so I just wanted to cut my hair. I'm gonna be doing some cute little styles. I got cute, when my hair is short, I use like headbands and clips a lot, so you guys are gonna be seeing that. I'm not really gonna be doing ponytails. I did find a really nice scarf, you guys, on Amazon. You guys have to get the scarf. Now for me, I normally wear like men bandanas, is that what they call, that wrap around, and then I put something else on top just so I can secure my hair. But the ones I found on Amazon, I did put a picture up here. Y'all got to get it. It stays on. You can tighten it, loosen it, because my problem with those is if it's not tight enough, it's coming off. And if it's too tight, I'm getting a headache, a tension headache. I'm getting too old for that. So I researched and got a scarf. It's not a bonnet. It's between like a scarf and a bonnet. A satin scarf mixed with a bonnet. I love it. Y'all have, if y'all wrap your hair at night, y'all have to try this out. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. If you guys have any products that you guys are using, leave them down below. I don't use stuff like Suave and Garnier Fructis. I don't use any of that. But if you guys have like some more higher end products, let me know down below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Since we was on, I dreamed it all.